The really amazing thing about that, of course, is that a book that's written on, say, like how to learn the Python programming language, in the past, that might have been, as it were, kind of stuck in English because the publisher or the self-published author couldn't afford to translate it. The thing about these AI book translation services is that they're not just good enough; they're affordable for self-published authors. And so what that means is that if you've done all the work and spent all the time and maybe even spent all the money hiring an editor, hiring a book cover artist, maybe doing some marketing and stuff like that, you can actually spend some of your book budget to translate your book into different languages. It can happen relatively quickly. If you use Leanpub to do your book translation, you will actually get the book available for sale on a web page in that language, promoting the book in that language. So you don't need to do any kind of marketing copy production or anything like that. You'll have your book available in AI format, or sorry, in AI translated into that language. One thing you can do, because on Leanpub, because you earn pretty good royalties from sales, typically you're going to be earning 80% royalties. You can write a book, say, in your main language, like say typically on Leanpub, it's English or German or French or something like that. And then what you can do is when you make enough money from that book, you can use the royalties you've earned from that book to translate it into another language. And then now you've got another product out there reaching a whole new audience that you're earning royalties from. When you earn enough royalties from that book, you can then translate it into another language. Eventually, your book project can kind of self-reproduce so that you've got your book available in dozens of languages, all without actually having spent anything other than the royalties that you've earned from the publication and sale of the first book.